In the last section, we looked at taking a formula connecting x and y, and we looked at using that to complete a table of values of x and y. For example, for given x values, we substitute those into the formula and found the corresponding y value. In this section, we're going to look at using these x and y values as coordinates and plotting them on a set of axes. We'll first do it in silence and then explain. Going through these one at a time. Firstly, the first pair of values. X is -1, y is 1. The coordinate is -1, 1. 1 along, or -1 along, and 1 up, gives us this point. The second set of values, x is 0, y is 4. The coordinate is 0, 4. 0 along, 4 up, is this point here. The third set of coordinates, x is 1, y is 7, 1, 7, 1 along, 7 up. X is 2, y is 10, 2, 10, 2 along, 10 up. And finally, x is 3, y is 13, corresponds to the coordinate 3, 13. 3 along, 13 up, gives us this point here. Now, as we're looking at a linear formula, we're expecting this to be a straight line, and you can see that these 5 points do in fact form a straight line, and it's at that point that we can be confident that we're probably correct. Our second to last task in drawing this graph is to draw a straight line through the points. The final task is to label the graph with the equation y equals 3x plus 4. Now I'd like you to copy this page into your book. You need to be particularly careful in drawing the set of axes, making sure the space between each number is consistent. You're likely to need to take at least half, if not 3/4 of a page to draw this. Once you've completed copying the left-hand side, you need to explain in the centre and then have a go at the question on the right-hand side in your book. Pause the video now and play on when you're ready to go through the answer to the second question. Now going through the second question, we first look at this set of values. This gives us the coordinate -1, 4. -1, 4, -1 across, 4 up goes here. The second set of values, 0, 7, gives us the coordinate 0, 7. 0 along, 7 up. 1, 10 is the coordinate 1, 10, 1 across, 10 up. 2, 13. 2 across, 13 up. And finally, 3, 16. 3 across and 16 up, which is this point here. Our final construction point is to draw a line that goes through these points. And as it fits perfectly through as a straight line, we can be confident that we've got that correct. Our final task is to write the equation of the line along it. And that's our answer.